Hey, check this out. Here, we've integrated Sunstone's advanced Omega battery welding technology onto a CNC table. The Omega's weld head is attached to the mounting plate, which positions the electrode over a battery can, delivers 2 perfect welds to connect the copper tab to the can, and then smartly moves on to the next can, repeating the procedure with exactness over and over. Whether you wish to include 20 cans or 2,000 cans in one set, the welding process is consistent from one weld to the next. Chances are that Sunstone has a welding solution you need for your company, or you already use Sunstone welding technology but must move to automation to keep up with demand or competitors. We can help. Our advanced micro welding technology can be integrated into robotics or CNC tables that are much, much faster and more efficient when it comes to manufacturing. Sunstone can design, build, and maintain an automated process for your current production process. And of course, our technology encompasses all types of welding, not only battery welding. What you really, really, really want is to add automation to your production process. So let's get started. Call and speak to one of our micro welding automation consultants at 801-658-0015.